It's time to finally execute the weekend project. Before we jump in and leave you to it, let me give you a little pre-execution pep talk. First, make sure you have the right mindset. Launch before you're ready. What I mean by that is so many students and entrepreneurs do all of the work up front, but then get stuck right before the most important part of the project, actually doing it. There's many reasons, from perfectionism to fear to feeling like you haven't planned every detail out to simply not feeling ready, whatever that means to you. But I urge you to resist and block out those voices. Just take the plunge. If you followed all the steps that we've outlined in this module as we've described, picking a good idea, upgrading with I+, building a micro and macro timeline, you're already ready, even if it doesn't feel like it. Trust us. The best thing you can do at this stage is complete that first 30-minute block. That's it. So now I leave you with a parting activity for this module. I want you to close your eyes and envision. What does a successful launch look like? Whether you're doing a workshop or a competition or fundraiser, whatever it is, try to get as specific as possible. What do you see? What are you doing? How are you feeling? Where are you? Write a paragraph about what you just imagined. Think about the who, what, where, but also about the why and the how. Treat it not only as a pledge to us that you'll do it, but also to yourself. This is what you are going to make a reality. As for actually doing the project and being in the midst of it, the best advice I can give you is simply do the next natural step. Things are going to go unexpectedly from what you planned, and there will be things that you run into on the ground that you'll have to deal with. But thanks to how you've been scaling back your project to make it more realistic and feasible, you can rest assured that none of the roadblocks will be project crippling ones. The last thing is something I didn't mention in any of the other videos, and that is take pictures. We've already alluded to this in the Arts to Hearts micro timeline. You can only do your first weekend project once, and it'll be a nice trip down memory lane down the line. More importantly though, pictures and documentation is an absolutely critical part of the presentation and reflection activity at the end of this module, as well as portfolio, which is what is ultimately shown to colleges. So, that's right. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with, and feel free to take a look at what some of the other students have written as well.